Can you solve all these Class 10 English poem Chapter 7 Animals questions? All vertebrates have.
Nice work. Endoskelett fits perfectly.
The poet wishes to live.
Correct. With animals is spot on.
What kind of trait is height?
Well done. Inherited is right.
What kind of trait are scars?
Smart move. Acquired is accurate answer.
What does a tadpole turn into?
Sharp thinking. Frog is right.
Who is not dissatisfied always?
You're right. Animals is correct.
What is the meaning of placid?
Clear logic. Peaceful is sound. What is the fastest land animal? Right choice. Cheetah is best. How many noses does a slug have? Correct response. 4 is accurate. What kind of trait is eye color? Good thinking. Inherited is right.
The poem Animals is composed by.
Perfect. Walt Whitman is the one.
Both arthropods and annelids have.
Strong choice. Segmented bodies is right.
What adaptation does a duck have?
On track. Webbed feet is correct.
One example of a segmented worm is.
Nice selection. Earthworm is correct. A duck's webbed feet helps it dash.
Well reasoned. Swim is correct. The animals do not weep over there.
Solid response. Sins is valid.
The poet is happy as a human being.
Smart pick. False is correct.
What is the name of the baby sheep?
Great thinking. Lamb is right.
Animals, according to the poet, are.
You chose placid and self-contained. Correct.
What kind of trait are broken bones?
Good job. Acquired works well.
These cells capture food for sponges.
Right again. Choanocytes is valid.
Which is the slowest animal on Earth?
Great job. Three-toed sloth is accurate.
What kind of animal lives in a pride?
Bravo, lion is the answer.
What animal has the longest lifespan?
Excellent. Giant tortoise is well reasoned.
What do humans do that animals don't?
Well picked. All of the above is correct.
Who is the poet of the poem? Animals.
Exactly. Walt Whitman makes sense.
Who, according to the poet, is better?
Valid point. Animals is true.
What animal group has radial symmetry?
You got it? Cnidaria fits.
The animals are placid means that dash.
Nicely done. Their calm is solid.
Which is the national animal of Japan?
Excellent choice. Snow monkey is right.
What adaptation does a polar bear have?
Smart move. White fur is accurate answer.
What is the largest animal on the Earth?
Correct response. Blue whale is accurate.
Select the phyla with bilateral symmetry.
You're right. Annelids is correct.
What qualities have the humans given up?
Good thinking. All the above is right.
What is the smallest mammal in the world?
Well done. Bumblebee bat is right. Vertebrate animals are under what phylum? Great job. Chordata is accurate. A newborn kangaroo is about the size of a... Right again. Lime bean is valid. What is not a classification of vertebrates? Well picked. Insects is correct. Identify the phyla which is an invertebrate. You chose arthropods. Correct! What is the gestation period of a blue whale? Bravo, 10-12 months is the answer. What is the fastest flying bird in the world? Nice selection. Peregrine falcon is correct. Earthworms and leeches are common examples of. Clear logic. Annelids is sound. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? You got it. Batfits. Hydras, jellyfishes, and corals are examples of. Great thinking. Xnidias is right. What is an adaptation for a poisonous dart frog? Correct. Colorful skin is spot on. The poet admired the fact that the animals are dash on track. Placid and self-contained is correct. Which animal eats both the plants and other animals? Nice work. Beer fits perfectly. Which of these animals have a backbone or spinal cord? Right choice. Snakes is best.
The phylum to which the filter-feeding animals belong dash.
Perfect. Porifera is the one.
How many times can a hummingbird flap its wings per second? Exactly. 80 makes sense. The layer in the middle of a sponge's two other layers is dash. Excellent. A mesogluia is well reasoned.
I am the national animal of India. I have stripes on my body.
Well reasoned. Tiger is correct. Name the literary device used in They Bring Me Tokens of Myself. Excellent choice. Metaphor is right. Identify figure of speech in I stand and look at them long and long. Sharp thinking. Repetition is right. Arthropods can be divided into many groups. The three that we study are solid response. Crustaceans, insects, arachnids is valid. Advanced cephalization really started emerging in the phyla from the dash. Strong choice. Annelida is right.
The following pilla have a through gut, bilateral symmetry, and are triploblasts.
Smart pick. Annelida is correct.
I am very big and furry. I live in woods. I have a big nose, 4 legs, and a tail.
Valid point. Beer is true. I am the king of the forest and stay in a den. When I roar, everyone gets scared.
Good job. Line works well. Name the literary device used in the line. I think I could turn and live with animals. Nicely done. Assonance is solid. The following combination of phyla all have a triploblastic embryonic layer and a coelom. You chose Chordata, Arthropoda, and Annelida. Correct. True or false according to the poet, no one amongst the animals are mad for owning things. Great job. True is accurate. Arthropods are coelomate animals with jointed segments and an exoskeleton made of chitin.
Smart pick. True is correct.
I have 2 horns and my body is covered with a thick coat. My hair is used for making wool. Right again, sheep is valid. I am the tallest animal but not the heaviest. I have a long neck to pluck leaves from long tress. Well done. Giraffe is right. This phylum has a medusa and polyp stage, stinging tentacles, and radial symmetry. What phyla is it? Exactly. Cnidarian makes sense. Choose the correct meaning of the italicized words from the alternatives given. -D1 is demented. With dash.
Sharp thinking. Matt is right.
How many tigers do you see? Great thinking. No tigers is right. I am the king of the jungle.
Bravo. Lion is the answer.
How fast can a dragonfly fly? Nice selection. 50 mef dash is correct. Choose the correct statement.
Perfect. There is a panda is the one.
Choose the correct meaning of the italicized words from the alternatives given. Dash so placid and self-contained dash.
You got it. Count fits. What is a rhinoceros horn made of? You're right. Hair is correct.
Look there. Some dash are swimming.
Nice work. Ducks fits perfectly.
To which phylum does this animal belong?
Right choice. Cnidaria is best. What kind of creature produces black ink? Well picked. Squid is correct. This phyla obtains oxygen through gills, lives in water, uses fins to move, and is the largest class of vertebrates. Identify the phyla. Valid point. Fish is true. Dash are also called flatworms. They are bilaterally symmetrical, dorsoventrally flattened worms that include planaria, flukes, and tapeworms.
Excellent choice. Platyhelminthes is right. What kind of animal lives mainly on bamboo shoots? Smart move. Panda bear is accurate answer.
Which of these animals is not part of the dog family? Well reasoned. Possum is correct. Which of the following organisms belong to phylum Annelids?
Nicely done. Leech is solid. Name the poetic device used in They Do Not Sweat and Whine About Their Condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God.
Good thinking. Anaphora is right. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Solid response. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is valid.